Hello and welcome. I've got this very luxurious Swedish motorhome to show you today. It's got this rather curious shape. It's got this big bulge down there, and I'm going to tell you why that is in a moment. At 168,500 euros, this incidentally is the cheapest motorhome that KABE do, which is here. KABE TM Royal x780 LXL. And this is 806 centimeters long, 245 wide, and height 298. Right, why has it got that bulge? It's got that bulge because up there is a bed which is literally hidden in it. You could scarcely tell that the bed is, well, I'm exaggerating a little bit, but it's very well integrated into the rest of the vehicle. This vehicle is very wide, 245 centimeters. Personally, I find that a problem to drive, but it depends. If you're a lorry driver, then I know lorries can even be wider. You can see here this huge amount of space though here between the two seats and the face-to-face configuration. Incidentally, also, as you can see from this, the seat belts here, and that is because it's also space down there. That is to make the seats face forward. So here you can make two seats in a forward facing direction, which I believe is something now a legal requirement. I believe I could be completely wrong on that one. Space up there for storage. You can see how far down the bed will come, but look how well everything has been integrated. Same color, the same black style, and this may be too dark for many people, and that I understand. This is the way KABE does things, like a Swedish log cabin. Over there we've got this side bed, and now we can see here the advantage of the width. There's a big disadvantage, which is driving, but the advantage is allows you to get a big bed in here and a washroom which is of a reasonable size. So as I come in here, you can see I walk into the shower, and it's a pretty large shower, and there's height above it as well. If I come in here, stand in the shower, and I'll turn this round so you can see. There I am in the shower. Look how much space is up here. So that, and look at this as well. Bear in mind, it's a side shower with a side bed. But hey, 245 centimeters. That's 25 centimeters wider than my vehicle. I have enough trouble driving this down the German motorway when they've got the lanes closed. So that I do appreciate. It requires a particular type of driver to be able to manage that. Oh, I can't open that, don't know why. And there's a molded sink. Yeah, all the lights are on, and I've just took my hat off, so that's why my hair's all over the place. Now here I'll show you under the bed as well, if I can. I don't like to show under the bed. Oh, this is a proper bed, and it's a heavy thing. You've got slat. It's absolutely a real, genuine, not a camper van bed. It's like a hotel style bed with a very thick mattress. In fact, it was so heavy I couldn't actually lift it. There you've got glycol. Sorry, the Alde heating system. The glycol's in there, and here, there's the boiler. That's the ventilation for the boiler. I think that's a brilliant idea. See, keeping clothes in there. Wow. Now coming into the kitchen, we've got a proper Thetford oven with dual grill, or is that a grill and dual oven? And there's the oven for you as well. You can certainly get a whole chicken in there. Bear in mind, you can always, so not always, but nearly always put an oven in a a motorhome. It doesn't come with them because usually for lack of space, and there isn't the demand in Germany. In the United Kingdom, everybody wants a motorhome. Everyone wants a motorhome. Everyone wants an oven to go with it. And and some people write, where's the oven? Well, it's in the shops. Buy it. You've got 3 gas burners and 1 electric burner here. And here we have the sink. And down there, as you can tell, there's an extractor fan. Hardly, I didn't see it from below. I'll let the person speak. So blinds with the Muscatiera and with the blackout. Here's the fridge. And I can hear that the public are now getting in here, which is after all. The event is put up for the public to see what's going on in the motorhome world, and indeed maybe buy an RV. What we've got here, also there's a double floor. The carpet has been put down here to protect the floor. Not a bad idea in the circumstances when you've got a vehicle that costs as much as this one does, which I can understand it. Right, that's the big negative point on this one is the width. If the width is not a problem, then you have the benefit of this fantastic large bed with, I'd add, yeah, there's a step up to it as well, so it may be suitable for those who are less physically active. You've got a really large washroom in there as well, so that's another good point. You've huge amounts of space here as well. You've got a full kitchen, which is rare in a vehicle. Lots of storage. You've got the extra bed up here as well, which is very inconspicuous. So negative point, oh, there's a step up to the driving position down there. Okay, good. So I've tried to actually be as fair as I can, show you the good points and the bad, and so there you have it. That's the reason for this step. It's to allow that bed in the shower unit to have the width that it does. Thanks for watching, and all the best from me in Stuttgart, Germany.